Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. My name is Jason Miller, founder and CEO of the Strategic Advisor Board. And today we are going to talk about engaging in leadership training. Okay. Leadership training can benefit you no matter your career stage that you're in right now today. Beyond the opportunities to gain and practice the skills needed to empower employees and influence others, you're exposed to faculty and peers you can lean on for support and from whom you can learn and grow. That's how leadership works. Make sure you surround yourself with people that are good leaders and that you can enculture your own leadership style based off some of their leadership traits. Okay. Homing your leadership abilities in a classroom setting is advantageous because it provides a low risk environment for reevaluating and fine-tuning goals when you encounter setbacks. It's helpful to have a group of people, we call it your inner circle here, who have heard and embrace your leadership goals and whose conversations helped inform how you would go about achieving them. In moments of challenge and relapse, you can go back to them for encouragement and courage. You can, revise your goals in a safe environment because you have a level of openness and vulnerability with those people who, those people that you surround yourself with that are your inner circle. All of this is very important because this is how we grow as leaders, right? No different than in the military. We have peer groups and leadership schools in the military, and we also have that in business too. I know I lean on many of our strategic partners in our company when it comes to banging ideas off of them, and they do the same with me and our team. So it's important sometimes to be vulnerable, let your guard down a little bit, especially in the leadership realm, because we should all always be developing as leaders to be our best leader that we can be. All right, so let's talk about a health tip. As business owners, we get so busy. I hate the word busy, but people get so busy that, they forget about their health. They really do. Make sure at least yearly you're going to see your doctor, getting that yearly physical, making sure you're taking care of yourself and checking all those blocks to make sure you're staying healthy. That's really important because if you're not taking care of yourself, you're probably not taking very good care of your business either. Okay. So go see your doctor at least yearly for a physical at a bare minimum. All right. So I hope these tips were helpful on today's episode of the Daily Dose. And remember, go ahead and smash that like button and give us a comment. And also any questions that you may have. If you want us to do a specific episode of the Daily Dose around one of your questions, we'd be glad to do that too. So anyway, you can reach out to us here or www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And remember, you can dream it, you can believe it, you can always achieve it. See you on the next episode.